In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Evernote note as a PDF and upload it to Google Drive. Before we begin, there's one important thing to keep in mind. If you're using Evernote on the web, you can't bulk export all of your notes at once. This method is manual, which means you'll need to export and upload notes one at a time. If your goal is to move your entire account in one go, you'll need to use the Evernote desktop application instead. For this tutorial, though, we're focusing on the web version and the single note process. Start by logging in to Evernote Web and opening the note you want to export. Once the note is visible, look toward the top right corner of the note panel and click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. From that menu, choose to open the note in the Light Editor. This is important because it gives you access to the print option you'll need for saving the note as a PDF. After the note opens in the Light Editor, select Print Note from the drop-down menu. Your browser's print window should appear. In that print menu, change the destination so that instead of sending the note to a printer, it's set to Save as PDF. Then click Save, and choose a folder on your computer where you can easily find the file afterward. Saving it in a familiar location can make the next step quicker. Once the PDF has been saved, open Google Drive. In the top left corner, click the New button, then select File Upload. Browse to the PDF file you just saved, select it, and click Open to upload it to your drive. That's it. Your Evernote note is now exported as a PDF and stored in Google Drive. If you need to move more notes, just repeat the same process for each one.